Hello, and welcome to the second video of GastroPlus 9.7 tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to start a project with GastroPlus. Before we jump into the software, I want to describe how to set up the project also in your computer. I've created a specific folder named GP Tutorial Phase 1 in my desktop. That folder will hold my database, all of the support files, and it also contains two documents that I've already created before. One is the Excel spreadsheet that contains the PhysChem properties and the IV data. And the second one is the 2D structure of the molecule saved as a mol file. Let's now have a look at GastroPlus. As you're aware, when you open the software, the demo database is opened. What we want to do, we want to create a specific database for midazolam. To do so, simply go to File and New Drug Database. After selecting your directory of choice, you can call that database however you want, but I will call it midazolam just to stay in the team. Click on Open. Now you have this new database created, and we will use it for our project. In this database, right now we have one record named New Drugs that is empty of any information. So we want to make this database more specific to our compound. As an initial phase, what we will do is to import the structure of midazolam, the chemical structure, and use the ADMET predictor modules to predict all the physical chemical properties of this drug based on its chemical structure. So to do so, go to File, Import, and Import Structure. As you can see, there is a pop-up window that appears where my database is saved. And in database, I've already saved in there. Okay, you can edit that. As you can see, there is a pop-up window that appears where my database is saved, so the GP tutorial phase 1. And in this folder, I've previously saved the 2D chemical structures of midazolam saved as a mol file. So I can simply click on that and click on Open. After clicking on Open, the ADMET predictor window pops up. In this window, you will see multiple information. On the left-hand side, you will see all the physical chemical properties that will be predicted for this compound, such as the log-D, the aqueous solubility, solubility factor, or PEF, and so on. You could also already start setting up your model. So for the dosage form, you can already select it. Here in this project, we are interested in IV bolus, so I can already select the IV bolus dosage form. For the pharmacokinetics, you can see the PK models and the gut physiology that are already set up. We are dealing with human, so we will keep the human physiology, and we want to use a compartmental model in this case. So let's keep it this way. As you can see, this window has more information, it can do more. A specific video dedicated to that ADMET predictor modules will be done soon. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, you see now that you have two records. The first one named New Drugs and the second one named midazolam. We want to keep a clean database, so we will delete that new drug record. So stay on the new drug record and go to database and option number 9, delete current record. Click on yes. And now we have just one record for midazolam. As a good practice, we want to keep track of which record is which. So let's change the name of that record to midazolam ADMET 9.5. because this record contains all of the physicochemical properties of midazolam that have been predicted by in silico models included in these ADMET predictor modules. To save the name change, click on any other boxes and a window will pop up to make sure you want to change the name, and click on OK. The take-home message of these videos are: to create a new project, simply go on File, New Drug Database, and save it in your directory of choice. The ADMET predictor modules can calculate the physicochemical properties of an API based on its 2D structures and QSAR models that are present in that module. To delete a record, go on Database and choose the option 9, Delete Current Record. Thank you very much for joining us, and I will see you in the next one. As always, for more information, you can visit our website or send us an email. Thank you very much.